What's going on, guys? TreyMay10 back again. Another mystery pack from Zox. I got 2 mystery packs and then 1 single, so we've got 7 total that we're going to unbox today. And before we get into that, I'll show you a strap that I bought with this order as well, called Mindset is Everything. And on here we've got some awesome brain receptors, and then I'm assuming that the little dots are like little neurochemicals on their way to the synapse, so that's pretty awesome. And it's Mindset is Everything. And then the card said instead of why me with a question mark, try me with an exclamation, which I like that. That's pretty cool. Alright, without further ado, let's start getting these mystery packs cracking. Number 1. And we got Cinephile, number 350. For me, the cinema is not a slice of life, but a piece of cake. Alfred Hitchcock. And I think I might have this one. This might be one that I didn't order. But on here we got, you know, a video camera, some reels, and then some kind of like seaweed looking kind of stuff. And then the inside's like a grayscale of that with Cinephile. And I guess if you don't know what that means, that's like you're a really big fan of movies. The cinema. Okie dokie. On to the next one. And we got a White Star Time Warp. That's pretty cool. It's just a jump to the left. We got number 797. On here we've got pretty interesting kind of checkerboard pattern that's getting almost like black holed into there with some paper airplanes flying in. I like this one. And the inside's pretty similar except orange and black with the name Time Warp. And there's a little white star. Alright. It's a good one. I'm hoping we got some season 2s or maybe more white stars. That'd be nice. On to the third. And it looks like we've got Modest, number 3922. It says, the superior man is modest in his speech, but exceeds in his actions. And that's a quote from Confucius, the great Chinese philosopher. On here we've got like a Arizona or New Mexico sunset going on. I only say that because you got the tall saguaro cactuses there. And the inside's pretty similar with the name Modest on there. This might be another in-stock one that I didn't order myself. So that's not too bad. Number 4. And we got number 3000, Love Who You Are. And it says, what lies behind us and what lies before us are tiny matters compared to what lies within us. Ralph Waldo Emerson. And on here we have almost like a stained glass mosaic kind of piece going on. Some black, white, and gold. That's pretty interesting. And then the inside's the same without color. It says, love who you are. I'm not sure if I have this one. This is one I might have. On to number 5. And we got one of the Namaste. We got Make It So, 753, Don't Talk, Act, Don't Say, Show, Don't Promise, Prove. Yeah, and on there that's Brahma, I believe. Holding, I'm not sure what that is. It almost looks like a stack of paper. Open palm, face, a teapot, and a lotus. The nice little pattern going on in the background. The inside's got the same pattern. Make It So, the name of the strap. If you want to see all 6 from this collection and the Moonstone, I have that video up already. That would be the video before this. But I have an Indian friend who's from South Africa, and I might send that over to him. Number 6. Oh, and we got a season 2. Grifforific. And it says on the back, I may be half eagle, I may be half lion, but I'm 100% awesome without even trying. It's a nice little rhyme for you. We got number 928. And then on here, we've got a griffin, of course. With like a starry night background kind of thing going on. And then on the inside, of course, same background with Grifforific. And that's from whichever, I don't know the name of that series, but it's got a unicorn for the icon. Alright. And then our last one, number 7. And it looks like we've got Velociraptors Can't Jump, number 121. And this is from season 1, the I can't remember what they called it, but it's the dinosaurs playing sports. It says, while known for their agility and ankle-breaking crossovers, there are no written records of a velociraptor ever dunking a basketball. And on here we've got like a little pickup game going on with some velociraptors in their jerseys playing basketball. And then on the inside we got a basketball, Velociraptors Can't Jump, and a little hat. Alright. Not too bad, not too bad. I'd like to see some more season 2s in there. Really want to get the Feudal Japan set for season 2. But yeah, we got a White Star, 1 season 2. Not too bad at all. Yeah, and actually one of you guys used my referral link, and so I got to get a free strap today, and so I'll make sure I'll unbox that for you guys. And if you happen to be watching this video, leave a comment. I'd like to thank you. And that'll wrap up this one. See you next time, guys. Or if you want to use my referral link yourself, it'll be in the description.